So well guys, welcome back to the channel JK World. So in this video we have partnered with YOYCOL. So I got three cloths, like one of these like hoodie. This is YOYCOL is a print and demand cloth company. It's good quality product. I will print on my hoodie like my name. My channel name JK World, so I will print on my hoodie, and this is very best product. So it's a baggy pant. So this is also from YOYCOL. So this is also called JK World. So this is very best print. So cloth is so nice, and quality cloth, it's nice to wear, so I can wear after. Just I am unboxing the products, so it's really nice to have this. And another one is it's a t-shirt. So it's a t-shirt, like I'm in this t-shirt I'm also putting to my channel name JK World. So this is also good. I can wear after. I can wear this t-shirt in gym also. It's look good. This is products. If you want these products, I will provide link in description, so you can design anything, like anything design. They can design the product, so ship all over the world. So you can try it. I will provide link in description, so use my link and buy it. So thank you for watching this video. So I hope you are well. So I like so much these clothes. The cloth quality is so much nice. So I like the baggy pants. I really like that pant. So you also buy these products from YOYCOL.com. So I will provide the link in description, so you can buy from it. Use my link to best discount. So nice. Bye bye, see you in another video. So thank you so much for watching. So subscribe and buy it from YOYCOL. So it's very good. Bye bye, see you in next video.